In this video, we're going to look at a tool that you can use to help practice your multiplication facts. This is going to work very similarly to an addition table, where I'm going to fill out numbers in the top row and the left column, and then to find the number that lives in perhaps this box, I will multiply the number at the top of the column with the number at the left of the row. So I'm going to just randomly fill out some numbers in that top column in the left row. In the top column, I'm going to go with 5, 7, 8, and 3. And in the left-hand column, I'm going to go with 6, 8, 4, and 9. So I'm going to pause for a minute here, and you can pause your video so that you can fill out the rest of the table, and then we'll get the answers. All right, in this first box, I'm going to multiply the number at the top of the row with the left of the column. 5 times 6 is 30. Over here, 7 times 6 is 42. 8 times 6 is 48. And then 3 times 6 is 18. When I move to the second row, I'll have 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. And 8 times 3 is 24. In the third row, I'll have 3 times 4 is 12. 8 times 4 is 32. 7 times 4 is 28. And 5 times 4 is 20. Finally, in the last row, I'll have 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. And 9 times 3, which is 27. So in a similar way to what we did with the addition tables, I'm going to do this a second time, but in a way that's going to require us to do some division. So I will put numbers in the top row, and then I will put some numbers along the diagonal, and we'll have to figure out what goes in the left-hand column. So across the top row, I want to go with 9, 7, 5, and 6. And then on the diagonal, I want to go with 72, 49, 20, and let's do 54. So if I do that, I don't know what these numbers are, but I need them to be able to fill out the entries in the other boxes. So the number that will go in this box is going to multiply 9 to get 72. And to figure it out, I can use division. 72 divided by 9 will give me this. So I'm going to pause for a second, again, so you can pause the video and fill out the answers. Okay, to fill out the table, again, I need to figure out what goes in this box, and I'm going to use division. I'll do 72 divided by 9, which is 8, because 8 times 9 is 72. To get the number in this box, I need to do 49 divided by 7. 7 times 7 is 49. So 49 divided by 7 is 7. I need to figure out what number goes here. 20 divided by 5 is 4, because 4 times 5 is 20. And 54 divided by 6 is 9, because 9 times 6 is 54. Once I have all the numbers in the left-hand column in the top row, I can fill out the rest of the boxes. So over here I'm going to have 56. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 5 is 40. And 8 times 6 is 48. In the second row I've got 7 times 9, which is 63. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. 4 times 9 36. 4 times 7 is 28, and 4 times 6 is 24. Finally, in the last row, I've got 9 times 9, which is 81. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 5 is 45. So again, this is something you can use to practice your basic facts. The only thing that you need to be careful about when you're doing these is if you're doing this last technique where you need some division, you have to make sure that these numbers on the diagonal are multiples of the number at the top row. So as an example, I would not want to come down here and put 31 because 6 does not go into 31 evenly. I won't be able to get a nice number over here.